Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Xero invoices with bulk export detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open your Xero account and log in. Once you are logged in, navigate to the business menu.
Select invoices from the drop-down options.
You will now see a list of all your invoices.
To export invoices in bulk, look for the export button, typically located at the top right of the invoice list.
Click on the export button. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, choose Export to CSV. This action will prompt your browser to download a CSV file containing your invoices. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically save to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, locate the CSV file on your computer. Open the file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets.
You will see all your invoice details organized in columns.
Review the data to ensure all necessary information is present.
If needed, you can customize the layout or format within the spreadsheet program. Save a copy of the exported invoices in a secure location.
Consider backing up this file to cloud storage for additional security.
Now you have a complete backup of your Xero invoices ready for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.